Welcome to 3D Mechanical Design. How to make steel stair weldments in SolidWorks. Creating steel stair weldments in SolidWorks can be an engaging project for beginners looking to explore 3D mechanical design. This SolidWorks tutorial for beginners will guide you through the process, focusing on the use of weldments. Below are the steps to make steel stair weldments using SolidWorks. Steps to create steel stair weldments. Create plane 1. Start by setting up your first reference plane, which will serve as the base for your 3D sketch. (3D sketch). Use the 3D sketch tool to outline the basic structure of the stairs. This sketch will guide the placement of your structural members. Weldment Structure. Activate the Weldments tool in SolidWorks. This tool allows you to create a structure using predefined profiles. Select Profiles, Beam. Use the Channel 6x10 profile for the main beams of the stair structure. Steps. Use the Angle 2x2 profile for the steps. This choice is common for stair treads due to ease of assembly. Trim and extend. Utilize the Trim Extend feature to adjust the lengths of the beams and steps. This ensures that all components fit together seamlessly. Linear pattern for steps. To create multiple steps, use the Linear Pattern tool. This feature allows you to replicate the step profile along a specified direction, ensuring uniform spacing and alignment. Cut extrude for beams. Apply the cut extrude feature to trim any excess material from the beams. Boss extrude for mounting plates. Finally, use the boss extrude feature to create mounting plates. These plates will be used to secure the stair structure. By following these steps, you can effectively create a steel stair weldment in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe if you like this video.